This is my last plant unboxing of the year, and it comes to us in a beautifully wrapped mystery box. Let's open it. This comes to us from Plant Stop USA, a New Jersey-based rare plant company. I really love that they insulated this box because, while it is very warm where I am, it is not so in New Jersey. Okay, let's see. I think this is an excellent idea. I wish all the plant companies did this. It is a little guide on unboxing plants. Hold off on repotting, check the condition. Yeah, this is pretty sound advice too. Yeah, I like that. All right, let's see what we got here. Our first plant. Whenever I get mystery boxes, I like guessing what the plant is so I don't read the labels. I feel like this is a Hoya because it comes in a small box, but let's check it out. Yes, I was right. This is a Hoya. Let's see what Hoya is. Splashy. Take a look. I'm going to give you a short look so you can guess what kind of Hoya this is, because I honestly don't know. There are a lot of green splashy Hoyas with this leaf shape. I should have known this one. Hoya Rangsan. He's pretty popular. Off to a good start. Beautiful. Another small package. Okay. I bet he's a Hoya too. What are you? I feel like you're a Piper. What are you? All right, guys, here's your chance to guess. What do you think this is? I guess Piper. And I'm correct. I actually do not own a Piper. I've always wanted to own one, but it's just never been the right time. Guess I own a Piper now. Beautiful. All right. This is a little bit larger, so let's see what this is. This is an Anthurium, and he looks like a fancy schmancy Anthurium. Let's see what he is. I'm trying not to break any leaves. All right, guys. I'm going to cover this. What is this? This is interesting for sure. Look at this leaf shape. I actually don't know what this is. All right, let's read the tag. I'm not sure which one this is even after I'm looking at it. I think I need it cleared. Anthurium Portier Buffergettii. That's interesting. I need to see how this looks large because this is the most interesting leaf size. They told me that it was really cold in New Jersey and that they were hoping that the plants came in good condition. And these are perfect. Not a brown edge, tip, yellow piece of leaf, nothing. This is a fairly good, that's good packaging. Let's see what we got next. All right, let's see which one this is. Ooh. Oh, let me not do that. I don't want to do that. I want y'all to enjoy it in my excitement. Y'all, what is this? What is this? Who is he? I don't even know what genus this plant is in. I don't have the slightest guess. Is this Labisia? Is it Aglaonema? I don't know. What do y'all think it is? Oh, this might actually be a mystery because there's nothing on the box. I don't see a tag. Maybe it's just really far behind this plastic. This is so pretty, whatever it is. I also really like the way they package these because there's not a piece of moss out of place. There's no tag. There's no tag. I have no idea what this is. I will figure it out and report back to you all. That is beautiful. All right, let's see what we have. All right, this is a larger package. If you have ever ordered imported plants from other countries, there is a good chance that your plant stopped off through Plant Stop USA. A lot of the import companies use them to ship to the US, and then they ship those orders out. He's an Anthurium, but which one are you? Okay. All right, I'm gonna take a guess. You are, I feel like you have papillolaminum in you somewhere. And that's the only thing I could think. Papillolaminum in some type of cordate shaped velvety leafed Anthurium. I don't know. Like I want to say crystallinum maybe, or maybe magnificum. What are you? What do y'all think? Okay. This does have a tag. All right. You are, this girl knows her plants. Anthurium papillolaminum legend. It's a hybrid. I don't know who the other parent is. One of the great things about getting no ID Anthuriums is that you have no idea what they're going to look like when they're mature. And that's exciting for some reason. I love the surprise. Looks like that's it. Let's put our haul together. This is the haul, and this is also the last plants of the year. We got a Papillolaminium hybrid. We have a Piper species Borneo. We also have an unidentified beauty right here. We have the Hoya Ransang, and we have the Portier Buffергhettii. And I really hope that they're still with me next December when we do glow ups. Thank you so much, Plant Stop USA. These plants came in perfect condition. And if you would like to check them out, they gave me a 10% off code. Check the link in my bio or the description. I wish you many blessings for the coming year. Happy holidays, everyone.